थोड़ी देर बाद वो खिताब शुरू करेंगे।
尊敬的基拉尼总理、女士们、先生们、朋友们，
Prime Minister Gilani, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends.
首先感谢基拉尼总理刚才发表的热情洋溢的讲话。很高兴时隔5年再次踏上这片美丽的土地，又一次真切感受到巴基斯坦人民对中国人民的深情厚谊。我愿借此机会对巴基斯坦政府给予我们的周到安排和盛情款待表示衷心感谢。
I am delighted to come back to this beautiful country in 5 years, and I have once again felt deeply the friendship of the Pakistani people towards the Chinese people. Let me take this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to the Pakistani government for your thoughtful arrangement and gracious hospitality.
中国与巴基斯坦是好邻居、好朋友、好伙伴、好兄弟。建交50年来，两国风雨同舟，患难与共，建立了全天候友谊，开展了全方位合作。中巴关系经受了时间和国际风云变幻的考验，已成为不同社会制度国家间和睦相处、彼此信赖、友好合作的典范。中巴关系已经超越双边范畴，具有更加广泛的国际和地区影响。发展中巴战略合作伙伴关系是中国政府的坚定政策，任何情况下都不会改变。
China and Pakistan are good neighbors, good friends, good partners, and good brothers. Over the past 59 years since we established diplomatic relations, our two countries have forged ahead side by side through thick and thin. We have established an all-weather friendship and engaged in all-round cooperation. The China-Pakistan relationship has withstood the tests of time and changes in the international landscape. Our relationship has become a model for countries with different social systems to embrace harmony, mutual trust, friendship and cooperation. This relationship has gone beyond the bilateral scope and assumed greater international and regional implications. To further advance our strategic partnership of cooperation is the firm policy of the Chinese government. Under no circumstances will we waver in our commitment to pursuing this partnership.
今年，巴基斯坦遭遇了历史罕见的特大洪灾。中国政府和人民十分关注巴基斯坦的灾情，对巴基斯坦朋友的困难感同身受。我这次来巴基斯坦的一个重要目的，就是同巴基斯坦领导人商定中方参与把灾后重建的一揽子计划。重点加强在基础设施、能源、农业等领域的合作。我们愿尽力帮助巴基斯坦人民渡过难关，为巴基斯坦实现自主、稳定和可持续发展打下更加坚实的基础。
This year, Pakistan was hit by an unprecedented, massive flood. The Chinese government and people feel your pain, and we are deeply concerned about the situation in the affected areas. One of the important purposes of my visit to Pakistan this time is to work with the Pakistani leaders on a package plan for China's participation in Pakistan's post-disaster reconstruction. We will give priorities on our cooperation in infrastructure, energy, and agriculture. We will do what we can to help the Pakistani people to tide over the difficulties and help you lay a more solid foundation for you to achieve self-owned, stable, and sustainable development.
明年是中巴建交60周年，也是双方商定的中巴友好年。我们将共同举行政治、经济、军事、文化、教育、体育、青年等各领域纪念活动，将中巴友谊推向高潮。巴基斯坦朋友常说，宁舍金子，不舍巴中友谊。对中国人民而言，中巴患难之交同样是比金子还要宝贵的财富。让我们抓住机遇，携手并进，推动中巴友谊与日俱增，推动中巴合作再结硕果，为开创两国战略合作伙伴关系更加美好的未来而不懈努力。
Next year marks the 60th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between our two countries. It has also been designated as the China-Pakistan Friendship Year. The two sides will together hold a series of commemorative events in the political, economic, trade, military, culture, education, sports, and youth affairs fields to further cement the China-Pakistan friendship. Our Pakistani friends often say, one would rather lose gold than the Pakistan-China friendship. For the Chinese people, the friendship with the Pakistani brothers is also more valuable than gold. Let us seize the opportunities and move forward hand in hand to advance and promote our friendship and cooperation and make tireless efforts for an even brighter future of the China-Pakistan Strategic Partnership of Cooperation.
祝巴基斯坦繁荣富强，人民幸福安康。祝中巴友谊万古长情。祝基拉尼总理和在座的各位朋友身体健康。谢谢大家。
May Pakistan enjoy prosperity and its people well-being. May our friendship live forever. And I wish Prime Minister Gilani and all our friends present here today good health. Thank you.
That was Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani and Premier Wen Jiabao speaking at the Pak China Center in Islamabad. First, Prime Minister Gilani said that 2011 is a year dedicated to Pak-China friendship. The PM also acknowledged China's help in the 2005 earthquake, the Attabad Lake